Today I'm going to be talking about some basic tips in Excel that are very handy and good to use. So to get started, I'm going to go to my Excel sheet and I have a little table with the first name, last name, and the profession. But as you can see in the first name, for instance, in that column, all of the names are capital letters. So in here, I'm going to have a function in Excel that changes that for me automatically without me going, manually removing and deleting and adjusting that. So I'm going to choose just an empty cell in here in column E. I'm just going to type the equal sign from the keyboard, then just type proper, and then open the bracket and choose the cell that you want to fix. So in this case, it's going to be A2, or the second row in A column, in the column A. And then after I chose my cell, I just, close the bracket and press enter, and that will fix the name to me to the proper format, which is the first letter is capital, the rest are just small letters. In here, if I'm going to just drag all these up to the end, it will fix every single name in the different rows I have in column A. Lastly, for me to replace this, first I just have to remove, so I'm going to copy in here and just remove the formatting of the function. I'm going to paste again to myself, but this time I'm going to paste special, and then just, type or punch in values in here, or click values and press OK. And now, as you can see, no more function is being like in these cells. So in here, I'm just gonna go copy. Sorry, I'm just gonna choose it all, and then I go copy with the mouse, and then just paste it in that column for me to insert copied cells. Actually, I'm just gonna paste it instead of insert. Just go paste. And as you can see, I pasted all the proper ones in here, and I don't need that column anymore, so I'm gonna completely delete it. So that's the first thing I want to show you, the function that will basically fix the names for me. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The other thing I want to show you, let's say for instance you wanted to see only 3 characters of this. You don't want to see the entire word or the entire string. The same thing, I'm going to go to an empty cell and just press the equal sign from the keyboard and just type this function left, and then just open up the bracket. Choose the cell that you want to just get the 3 letters from it, for instance. Then just type comma, and just, for example, if you want to do 4, just do 4 letters only, and then close the bracket and press enter. And that will strip the word to only 4 letters. And if I drag this down, it will do the same thing for the rest. So that's another function I wanted to show you. So I've shown you 2. I've shown you the left function that basically strips the word from the left side. Basically, you have to always go to the right and then strip from the left. And then the other function, the previous one, was the proper function. Lastly, it's not a function, but I want to show you very handy. Let's say you have sales number from row number 2 to row number 17. Let's say you want to know what the total or what the average is, or even how many rows, without typing and going into different functions. If you just highlight the entire column and just go to the bottom here in the bottom screen on the right hand side, it will show you the sum is 1720. It says automatically did the virtual summing for you and gave you the total, and it's telling you that, hey, it has 17 rows, the count is 17, so each row is basically being counted and you have 17 rows, and it even is giving you the average. So it add them up and then divide them on the number of the rows, and it gave you the average. So it's pretty simple without for you going into adding and subtracting or doing some math. The whole system does it for you, but just by highlighting the sales figures column, and it will give you all this information. Pretty simple and straightforward. So it's very handy. Maybe it's very basic, but I thought about sharing it with you guys. That's all about this video, guys. I'm going to be posting more videos about Excel in the upcoming days. Please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you like my videos, please give them thumbs up, share them with your colleagues. Until the next video, wish you a great day. Thanks for watching.